We work with my husband in our studio in Sultanahmet. We teach Turkish marble paper and Turkish tile painting. We use the traditional materials inside of the painting.
Yavaş yavaş hep ağır hareket edelim. Çok güzel. 15 years almost we have done this. Still we continue. It is very enjoyable for us because we are meeting every day very different people, many different nations in US, in Japan, in Europe. And our ambience is friendly, little more than friendly, like a family. When the people in a family, the travels coming to Istanbul, you are not only the touristic side, even when you learn the local and getting the more information, you are understanding the country's value. How is the life? This is deeply traveling of the city.